Good guys, we are back for another backtesting session for today, and today we're going to be backtesting as usual the London session. Let's see if it's live. Great, so I will go to this one right here. Let's go to the next London silver bullet sessions and do some backtesting. So next to London silver bullet session, which is here. So our entry pattern is this. It's simple. We see a BOS to the upside, fair value gap, we enter. Market shift to the downside, which is valid, a fair value gap, we enter. Then we continue. So let's see. Okay, you can see that it's a 3. So that is a bit fast, but we took out this low, even this one we shifted, and then we are retesting this fair value gap right here. So let's see how this candle closes. You can see it closes right here within the range of the fair value gap, and this one is also dropping, so I think we can take this trade and sell right here, stop loss above this high, and we will have a target of a 1 to 2, somewhere like right below this low, somewhere there. Let's take the trade. Wait, what was the percentage risk? Don't tell me I risk too. Oh god, that would be crazy. I took too much risk than I can bear. Alright, let's go play it. You can see it's going against us. Then it dropped. It's going a little bit slow though. Here we can protect the position just in case of uncertainty. You can see take profit gets hit and reach to, wow, what a crazy level. Reach to 23,866. And let's play it now. I think I should be risking 2%, even though losers would drop me down, but winners will push me higher. You can see it even continue dropping, which means if you hold some of your position, you can have at least even a 1 to 3 or so. Let's see when it starts to reverse. It takes out this high, so it reversed somewhere here at 8:30 during the New York Open. So okay, as per my observation, holding the trades until the New York Open, when you took them in London, it's some kind of risky stuff. So maybe consider options if you have some. Great, so this is this next day silver bullet session. Oh god, I don't think we'll be trading this day. You can see we took out this high and this one as well, shifted, created a fair value gap. There are low chances that we could retest it. We're just going to drop. Okay, close your shots. Do you see this? Look at this candle. We fly and then it starts to drop. Don't think here I will take a trade. Let me just take predict to see what happens after. No trade here for real. No trade. Now imagine if you had a limit here and then it flew like this in just 1 minute. Maybe there was some news. 1 and 2 and 3. And at 4 we retest the fair value gap. Let's see. You can see that we respect it. Good one. 1, 2, 3. Right here. Okay, so we drop right away. Let's go slowly right here. So we push lower and higher. but it isn't giving any good signs. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3. You can see that we take out the low right there. Then we push and we push, and then drop. No entry. Okay, you can see that there are no entries. 1 and 2 and 3. When you get here, you can see that we have this high taken out. Let's see if we drop to these equal lows. Okay, well, instead we shift to the upside. We've created a fair value gap. We drop into it. So this is kind of BOS. We drop into it. So let's see how this candle closes. Okay, next one opens aggressively. So there's a huge pool of liquidity below, so I don't think maybe we will be able to. Okay, let's see if we get a fair value gap here. Why no gap? Gap is here. We just needed a retest so we can take out this equal lows, but in the end target was hit as we wanted this equal lows to be taken out. Just have to learn how to find an entry within these moves right here. So let's go to the 1, 2 and 3. Silver bullet on EU, just EU. Great, retest a gap here. Shift structure. Okay, now that's a really big shift. Okay, now this is a good retest. Let's see how this candle closes. Okay, yeah, couldn't enter. Come on, it's really playing with us. But good reaction to this order block though. Alright, I don't think we'll find an entry there. Ooh, retest. How about we enter here and then push higher? I mean we still have this high, we still have those highs, but I don't think we'll get a 1 to 2. We get a really small range, because that would mean our stop loss would be that huge and our take profit would be this small. To get a 1 to 2, it would require us to target a little bit higher. So I don't think I'll take this trade. I'll just take preach price and see. Fly. Oh no. Fly, my little bird. Fly. Ooh, it's gonna dance. This is a nice one. Does it hit TP? Yep, it hits TP. Good 1 to 2. So next time you find a trade like this, no hesitation. Just wanted to tape it so you can gain some confidence. 1 and 2 and 3. Oops, no, nothing. So let's see how price reacts here. Can see we're shifting to the downside. First fair value gap has been presented. Just need a retest. Okay, how does the candle close? Oh, great. And this one, I think this would provide a good entry to the downside, but we didn't break below this order block, which means we still have an issue. So this will let this pass. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. First we drop to the order block. sorry, fair value gap, take out the low. First fair value gap, you can see it there. So I call it a shift when the candles close. Right here, you can see that the candles closed below this low. So this would be a valid fair value gap retest. This would be also a valid fair value gap retest. As you can see that there is also an inversion here. So I think here we can have a sell. Stop loss right there. Target 122. And yeah, let me take this trade. Better risk just 1%. No need to over risk. So I'll journal this. Great, so I can save now. And now we can please and see. You can see how good it gets delivered. Very, very clean price action. See that we had our sweep here. And we had the shift right here. And our fair value gap was right here, from here to here. You can see this one right here. Good FVG. Oh. So let's continue back testing. Let's play it and see what happens after this trade. You see it continues dropping. So let's go to the next silver bullet session. But this was the move that we wanted. Just a few minutes we're in and we're out. I think it's like 2 hours or 30 minutes. Just 30 minutes. And let's go to the 1, 2, and 3. Great. So now we play here. This was the first fair value gap presented. As you have not such a significant low, but closed below it, then created this gap. Yeah, this would be a valid entry according to the model that I'm entering with, but let's just interpret it. Just don't have a good feeling about it. Maybe let's interpret how market will drop. Yeah. Wow. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Wow. This is unbelievable. So you know what to do next time. We shift, you enter, and so on. Anyways, you can see EU is providing some good opportunities when in June 2024. 1, 2. I was busy doing national exam. Can't believe that. Scam to get into school, but you'll get into uni. Alright, so I'm not seeing anything good so far. This fair value, I can't consider this fair value gap. I will consider this fair value gap as valid when we drop below this low, when we close a candle below this low. Otherwise, okay, now this will be it. Let's see if we retest at 4. Yep, a retest. So now we can enter short, small one at 4 exactly. Stop loss a few pips above the first candle of the fair value gap, and the 2R. Save in journal. You can see see it tries to respect the gap. Let's see if it does. Take profit was a tick away, and boom, we hit TP. Nice one. I mean, nice one. Did any of the candles close above this line? As you can see, here to here. No, not even a single candle. And this one, you can see that this fair value gap was totally respected, and hence the drop. So let's go to the next silver bullet session now. I'm liking this. Great. So go to 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's play it and see. Shift. Let's see how the candle closes. Okay, sweep. Okay, now we can see a shift. Not one. Let's see. Shift is if we close below here or below here. So let's wait. Oop. You can see this. Sweep, shift. We have a fair value gap right there. And do we retest? Come on, just a small tap. Yeah, small tap into the gap, man. We would have entered without hesitation. Now see a short here. I just wanted a short here. Stop loss there, which means take profit wouldn't be a big one. 1 to 2, and I think the target would be reached. It provides an entry rate. Does it respect it? Let us see. Did any of the candles close above this line? Yeah, they did. Disrespected it. So invalid entry. Invalid, very invalid, even though it went in our direction. Great. So let's go to 1, 2, and 3. We have some relatively equal lows here. Great pool of liquidity. We have a high taken out here, small order block, lower high taken out. Okay, let's see. You can see that we shifted. Yeah, the shift was here. So we've got the sweep, shift on this low. We get a retest. Oh yeah, we do. How does the candle close? If yeah, disrespected it. So no entry. No entry for the day. Because our stop loss would have been a few pips above this, and you can see that would have been taken out already. But it ends up dropping. Let's see. Yeah, it does. So let's go to 1. Wow, what's that? 2 and 3. Good. We should try and add custom. I don't know if they could allow us to add custom settings. So you can add next London silver bullet session. Okay, market's consolidating. Good. Shift right here. So normally how I'll be operating is I'll put an alert here and an alert here, and the first alert to be hit, I'll see which high was taken out or which high was, because if we form a high during the time range, supposing that we have time range starting from here, and we have something like high, low, then we go right here and we create this high in the time zone. If we shift here, this is also a valid shift, which means if we shifted with a fair value gap right here, a retest would give us an entry to go higher, which means if you have a fair value gap in right here, we could enter off of this one and target this liquidity right there. Yeah, good explanation of how I'm operating with this model. Let's see if we get a fair value gap. Yeah, we get a small one. So retest. Yeah, we do. How does the candle close? candle close, good one, which means we enter. Ooh, what a large stop loss. And we target 1 to 2, somewhere like this high. And yeah, we just take no more risk. Don't need to focus on the P&L. We just want to focus on having working setups, working models. Save. Did I take a sell? Why was the image a sell? Yeah, this one was a stop out. Okay, but it was a good trade. We can go to the next. Great. So the model, we have the high, we have the low. A shift can also be declared on this one as well. Let's play this and see. Good. Shift, shift. Let's wait for a retest now. Let's wait, and we wait. Retest. Right here, there's a candle close. Good. Short. Take stop loss. TP 1 to 2. Why aren't we setting the entry? Okay, we save this and let's play and see. Another stop out. Few ticks, my guy. Few ticks. Yo, do you see this? Damn, we should really hold profits. We should really hold profits, but I can see that this was a few ticks to SL, which means we should be somewhere there. Anyways, not a bad entry, a really good one actually. Let's see where it drops to. Wow, this is epic. This is epic for real. Look at what happened to 24th June. I mean 2024 June. Like, why can't that June happen in 2025? 1 and 2 and 3. Good. So we wait and see what happens. So we don't shift. This is just a sweep. A shift will be declared somewhere here. Okay, no shift, which means we can disregard that fair value gap. We can't enter off of that. Okay, this will be a very like, you can see that there was no fair value gap here, but I can't enter off of this because there was no shift. I just want to say this candles close above these bricks. Great. Let's go to the next 1, 2, 3. Okay, play it and we get, let's see how the candle closes. I don't trust wicks. Yeah, good shift, and now fair value gap. A retest. Good candle close. Good. Long position here. Stop loss there. Take profit. A really big one, but wow. Save. The model is becoming easier and easier. It's looking, not it's becoming, it's looking easier and easier, but yeah, let's trust the process. losses. Another loss. Let's go to another silver bullet session. Good. You can see here BOS, short, stop loss, take profit. When was this fair value gap? At 3, which means it's a valid one. So we sell. Let's take a screenshot. Save. We do it like this. Display price. And boom, we take profit. And this is massive. This is really massive. So yeah, I think this is all for today's session. I'll continue doing more backtesting sessions, and now we are at 30k. I don't know if you can see it. I think it's because of this. Sorry, let me move this. You can see it right here, 30k. Let's get it back to the center. So it was really nice time. So yeah, I think that was all for today's trading backtesting session. So until we meet again, stay blessed.